Reichenbacher supplies CNC machining centers to industry and the handicraft businesses. Our machines cover two different requirement profiles: industry and the traditional handicraft businesses. These two areas place quite different demands on us and on the control system. We are aiming the new machine series mainly at the handicraft businesses. There, they frequently involve generalists who have to run several systems. They benefit from easy and intuitive system operation. The Sinumerik MC fits perfectly into this requirement profile since it can be very flexibly configured, it can operate multiple auxiliary axes, and a customized interface enables machine builders to incorporate their own style. The greatest benefit of the easy operation have new users of CNC technology or those switching over from other systems. The handcraft segment is very price conscious, so we give high priority to designing the right drive and the right servo motor for each specific application. Both S120 and S210 drives can be combined with the Sinumerik MC. We find the Siemens licensing model very accommodating, since we only pay license fees for each NC axis that is interpolated with other axes. Having Windows 10 on the Sinumerik MC gives us the opportunity to integrate our own applications and user interfaces. I work at Innbau in Mettenheim. I operate a CNC machine where I produce complex parts for concrete formwork. Now, we manufacture the parts using a CNC program created by the programmers in their offices. You just load the program via the machine interface, start the machine, and the parts are just made according to the program. Because no one in the company had any experience with CNC machines, it was important that the machine was very easy to operate. This machine was specially designed to be a device with very few buttons. You only need a couple days to learn how to use it. Do it a few times and you've got it. I'm happy we got this machine. It makes the job of producing the formwork much easier.